Thanks for watching Jake 3D. It's now 2018. Happy New Year. Well, hopefully the sound works because this died. Yeah, 2018, new year, new me. Let's get this going. Survived 2017, but 2018, I am gonna live it up. Yeah, 2018, I'm not gonna let things hold me back. I am gonna have fun, and I'm gonna give my kids everything that I can. So this year is different. I'm gonna start streaming at least every week, every Monday, starting at 10 o'clock, maybe a little earlier, and I'm gonna go till at least 1 a.m. on Mondays. And I will try to stream on Sundays and Tuesdays, and maybe a couple hours after work the rest of the week. Kind of depends on how it is. But I do know Mondays is definitely my solid day to stream. I'm going to be releasing a video hopefully every single week for this year. If not, as close to it as I can. I know I got tons of stuff to release videos on. The rest of the build series for this computer here, I got a new build that I have everything but the case. It is a test bench system so that I can swap out all my graphics cards. I got, my old 980s, and then I do have a new Radeon graphics card. You see the testing that I've been doing on the NAS is right here. It works. I was going to do a NAS combo, security combo, mining rig, but just with the VMs not working the way they're supposed to, I'm going to skip doing that and allow the test bench to be my mining rig when I'm not using it for testing. So that should be coming up very soon here. I also have printed off the pictures from the eclipse. You may have seen that on my Facebook. So that's 2 feet by 3 feet plus the frame. So that's pretty cool. And I gave a copy of that. So I do like doing like the little gags, like, hey, don't touch my computer, I'm rendering, that kind of stuff. It's fun. I got new effects coming. I got this one right here done so far, and this is the old one, some of my older stuff. But so I plan to do more of this. This I've actually been using on my Twitch channel so far. Whenever I have to like run to the bathroom or pause the stream for a little while, I'll put this up there. So I'm working on more. Got a little campfire coming as well, but I'm working on that. Jake 3D, I'm doing 3D stuff. Back into it, finally. Forget everything that's holding me back. Let's move on. Let's make 2018 an awesome year. So if you think that's cool or you like that, go ahead and leave a like on the video. Also leave a comment down below. Is there anything in here that you think I should add? Nothing too big, because I'm only getting back into it. If you have any videos or any content you'd like to see from me, or any games you'd like me to benchmark or take a look at it, let me know down below in the comments. Also, don't forget, hit up my Twitch, Jake3D, twitch.tv/Jake3D. Here's my YouTube. My Twitter is @Jake, @Jake3D. My Facebook is Jake3D. So go ahead and leave me a comment, leave me a like, send me a friend request. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And again, thanks for watching Jake 3D. I will see ya in the next one. Don't hit the computer. It's mine. I told you, don't touch the computer. Look out! I'm working on the computer. Don't touch. Have a good one.